The share value equivalent to $4.5781 a coin. The present reach: $4.5391, $4.6990. The earlier day close: $4.5991. The change was 0.0210, 0.46%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $4.67. Greatest cost $5.16, least cost $4.09. The normal for the month $4.68. The share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.78, change for September 2.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at $4.78. Most extreme cost $5.44, least cost $4.09. The normal for the month $4.82. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.97, change for October 4.0%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $4.97. Most extreme cost $4.97, least cost $3.88. The normal for the month $4.50. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.17, change for November 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $4.17. Most extreme cost $4.50, least cost $3.92. The normal for the month $4.20. A share cost figure toward the month's end $4.21, change for December 1.0%. The share cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $4.21. Greatest cost $4.21, least cost $3.40. The normal for the month $3.87. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.66, change for January 13.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.66. Greatest cost $3.66, least cost $2.95. The normal for the month $3.36. Share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.17, change for February 13.4%. A share cost expectation for WALK 2024. At the outset cost at $3.17. Most extreme cost $3.20, least cost $2.78. The normal for the month $3.04. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.99, change for spring 5.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $2.99. Greatest cost $2.99, least cost $2.44. The normal for the month $2.76. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.62, change for April 12.4%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $2.62. Greatest cost $2.62, least cost $2.13. The normal for the month $2.42. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.29, change for May 12.6%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $2.29. Greatest cost $2.85, least cost $2.29. The normal for the month $2.52. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.66, change for June 16.2%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $2.66. Most extreme cost $2.66, least cost $2.13. The normal for the month $2.44. The share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.29, change for July 13.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $2.29. Most extreme cost $2.29, least cost $1.79. The normal for the month $2.07. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.92, change for August 16.2%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.92. Greatest cost $1.92, least cost $1.50. The normal for the month $1.74. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $1.61, change for September 16.1%. A share cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at $3.41. Greatest cost $3.41, least cost $2.66. The normal for the month $3.09. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.86, change for November 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Initially cost at $2.86. Most extreme cost $2.86, least cost $2.43. The normal for the month $2.69. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.61, change for December 8.7%. A share cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $2.61. Greatest cost $3.24, least cost $2.61. The normal for the month $2.87. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.03, change for January 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else cost at $3.03. Most extreme cost $3.07, least cost $2.67. The normal for the month $2.91. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.87, change for February 5.3%. A share cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $2.87. Most extreme cost $2.87, least cost $2.24. The normal for the month $2.60. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.41, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $2.41. Greatest cost $2.85, least cost $2.41. The normal for the month $2.58. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.66, change for April 10.4%. A share cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $2.66. Most extreme cost $2.66, least cost $2.14. The normal for the month $2.44. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.30, change for May 13.5%.